Hi everyone, welcome to the unboxing and review of the TaoTronics Humidifier. You can get this product on Amazon for about $38. Check out the link in the description. This product is not an essential oil diffuser. The yellow warning sticker says you should not add essential oil into the water tank. The humidifier has a 2-liter tank, which allows for 24 hours operating time. The one-touch control makes it very easy to operate the humidifier. You can turn the humidifier on and off with a short press and access sleeping mode with a long press. The humidifier is very quiet, which makes it a great product if you want to use it while you're sleeping. I tested the humidifier for about a week and I think it's a very nice product. It is quiet, it allows for a whole day of working time, and it works without any light during sleeping mode. If you are looking for a quiet humidifier with enough capacity for a whole day of working time, I would recommend the TaoTronics Humidifier. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product, and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.